Hi guys, today we are working on a Toyota Harrier Lexus, and we're rescuing a vehicle that has a key problem. The key got broken, they lost it, it was crushed by the owner. So we are replacing the key. We are first of all acquiring a transponder. This is I don't know if you can zoom in and see. This is a transponder T5. It's a computer inside the key that helps the vehicle start. And the tools that we are going to need today, you're going to need the X tool, X100 key programmer, or you can tentatively use the SKP key programmer SKP 900. This is the X tool, X100, and this is the SKP 900. And you connect this tool right inside the OBD2 socket, the onboard diagnostic socket. You get the tool, you connect it to the onboard diagnostic socket. After connecting it to the onboard diagnostic socket, you get the new key that you've cut, and it takes a transponder. The transponder fits right there. It's where the transponder fits, and the transponder. So we insert the key. So we power on the machine. After putting in putting it into the OBD2 socket, we have this interface where we choose the makers, and here we're going to do immobilization. It can have an EEPROM adapter. You can connect an EEPROM adapter to this tool. We shall do another tutorial about that. It has onboard diagnostics and also mileage adjustment if you want to change the mileage for your vehicle. And immobilization is where we shall take, and we shall select the vehicle type. It's a Toyota Lexus, and we shall take Toyota Lexus. We continue, confirm. It's loading. So we shall say immobilizer. We are doing the immobilizer. It can do the immobilizer. It can do the remote. It can do the smart key system. So we do immobilizer system, and this is a type 2, and it's between 2004 2015. That's because this is a Harrier. Here we locally call it Kawundo. So they give you the pre-notice when you're going to program the key, and they're telling you one submaster key is needed to erase or add other keys. Identify a submaster key or valid key. Insert the key into the ignition. If the security light does not flash, it is a submaster key. If it flashes for 1 second then turns off, it's a valid key. So to detect a master key, a master key is the key that came original with the vehicle. A valid key is like a second key you have made for the vehicle. So this time round, we have lost all the keys and we're trying to make another key. So we just continue, press enter. It's reading. So it gives us these options. Add key. If you can add a key if at all you've lost the previous key. If at all you have the previous key and you just want to add another key. Erase keys, it means you are taking away all the keys in the system and you're giving a system a new key. All keys lost. In case you've lost all the keys and you're replacing it with a new key. Replace immobilizer. This is you should use it in case you've lost. If you have a new immobilizer box and you put in the immobilizer box, a new immobilizer box. Replace engine ECU. This use it when you have a replacement of the engine ECU. So, but for us here, I think we shall have all keys lost. We've lost all keys, so we go to all keys lost, and it's communicating. And it will tell you, want to program another key, press enter to continue. Or want to program another key, press enter to continue. Or press escape to return. We will press enter to continue. Wait for a second, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Insert the new key into the ignition. Do not switch. It's telling you insert new key into the ignition. Do not switch to on position. Then press enter to continue. We've inserted the new key into the ignition, and we press enter to continue 5 times.
This is
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So switch on. Then we start the vehicle so that we start. There we go, we program a key for Harrier and the process is done. Thank you so much.